So today we're at Limehouse Conservation Area. We've got a 0.8 kilometer radial rail trail, 2 kilometer Bruce Trail, and a 1.5 kilometer Black Creek side trail.
Okay, and
We gotta go.
whoa, I don't here, another here, and you go this way.
Yeah, so we just walked this whole section, right? So we're gonna go. We want to make it to the stairs.
How do we go back then?
No, we're gonna go. So we make a left and make it to the stairs, right?
This way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which way? That way?
That way.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, how do we go back?
I got a little cool ladder over there. We should be able to climb up and down. There should be a ladder coming up.
That's scary.
Yeah, you get to go down there. Wait, not yet, not yet. So you have to go backwards.
Why?
Because it's not really steps, it's a ladder. See the ends? It's a ladder, right? Go slowly. Take your time. Alright.
How do I get down?
Wow, isn't this cool?
So pretty. Look, there's a staircase.
Oh wow, that looks tight.
Sounds tight for me.
Okay, you want to try it? Let's go. Don't get your foot stuck.
Dada, look, you can go up from here.
Oh, it's a cave.
Yeah.
I remember that movie we watched? What's it called? Apex? Yeah, this is how you climb the walls.
Right there.
No, wait. Is it safe to go down?
No, that's a drop.
No, that's a big drop. Come back.
Let's go back.
We can't
Let's
make
go
that.
back the other way.
I can go, but you won't be able to make it.
Yeah.
Look, this whole rock cracked over here. See that?
Oh my god.
Oh, this looks cool, right? Like all the holes look scary.
How do you accomplish
It probably formed from water. Oh no, this is kind of tight.
it? Hey, for you.
I'm like,
Dada, you can go outside from here.
there's a way up?
Yeah. You can go upward.
Hold on, let me see if it's safe. This is so tight.
Not even that tight.
Like, I'm not that skinny. Oh wow.
Should we go up?
Okay, can you go up?
Are you allowed? Oh my
It's like
god,
a
Dada, look.
fallen tree.
Where do we go from here then? Oh my god.
Oh look, you can go this way. Okay, that is scary. There's a hole here that you could fall into.
Dada, this is
Yeah, but this is a big opening.
I wanted to go into that little
It's
path.
pretty neat.
Let's go back, Dada.
See the hole?
No.
The rock is sitting
Ooh,
on top of it.
yeah. Let's
Wow.
go. Okay, Dada, let's go.
Your parkour? The parkour master. Careful. It's firewood, yeah.
Which way do you guys want to
We'll
go?
probably go that way.
All right.
but I think there's people in there.
Okay. Hold on.
Thank you.
Houston, come here.
Dada, look. I can go up here.
I'm like dragging my backpack.
Dada, let's go.
Oh, this one's hard.
Never mind.
You able to climb that? Let's try.
No, we're not. That's useful. Don't climb it, Dada. Dangerous.
Yeah?
If you climb that, how are you gonna go down?
These rocks.
Go straight ahead.
Yeah.
This really leads to nothing, Dada.
Oh no.
Let's go back.
No, we can get out that way.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, look, you can get out that way too.
Oh yeah, you want to check it?
Yeah.
But I don't think I'll fit.
see.
Okay.
Now I have to go in it.
Give me the pole.
Now that you can fit.
Yeah? Wow, there's so many. It's part of the trip?
No.
What is this?
I think we're lost, Dada.
Okay. We did it.
That's it.
Now we can continue the trail. Oh, look, there's a boardwalk here.
It's not.
Come on. Look at that one. A little bridge there.
It's like a giant.
This is cool. Inside.
Why is there so many sticks?
Looks scary in there, right?
Circa 1850. I said I choked on a piece of seaweed.
Oh, I thought you dropped it and you ate it.
No.
I want to cross that bridge. Stop it in.
Yours?
Why you gotta eat so much on the trail?
Because I'm hungry. The reason I got snacks, bro. Dad,
Oh,
the bird did that?
yeah.